Hi everyone, welcome to Discover Talent. I'm your host Vinod. Today's session will be a game changer for you. Okay, we are going to cover how to create our own custom GPTs using a chat GPT. Now you can develop your own GPTs with whichever domain you are in, finance, accounting, or IT, name it, and your GPT is ready. How to create that end-to-end step, we are going to capture it. Now I know that sounds super advanced, but trust me folks, it is a very stepwise guide which I'm showcasing over here. And yes, we are going to showcase that live demo each step. Also keeping that in a section wise, or maybe you can call it as a chapter wise, right? If in case you are not really interested to understand a introduction, or you are already aware about the history about ChatGPT, you can skip that particular part and you will move ahead. So without further ado, let's quickly start. Welcome back to Module 1 series, Understanding ChatGPT, the Advanced AI Chatbot by OpenAI. ChatGPT is a smart AI chatbot made by OpenAI. It can understand and write a text like a human. This presentation will explain what it can do, how it works, where it's used, and what it might do in a near future. In this presentation, we will learn the basics of ChatGPT, what it is, and the company that created. Look at how it works using something called generative pre-trained transformer and why that matters. We will also talk about what ChatGPT can do, how it was trained, how it is being used in a different industries today. ChatGPT is a big step forward in AI, made to talk with the people in a natural way. Knowing what it is help us to understand what it can do. Cool. So what is ChatGPT? Okay. ChatGPT is a smart computer program made by OpenAI that uses machine learning to reply with a text like a human. It chats with users and gives a clear, relevant answers basis the prompt what we added. Right. OpenAI is a research group that works on creating safe and helpful artificial intelligence, which is called AI. It was started in December 2015, and its goal is to make sure AI helps people in a good way. Cool. So this is all about the creators overview, which we have showed you on the screen, folks. The key features of ChatGPT. ChatGPT has a many useful features. It can understand a topic, give the relevant answer, and keep the conversation clear. It can also change its tone and style to match what users want. Understanding generative pre-trained transformer, which is called GPT, right? To understand how ChatGPT works, we need to look at the system behind it, called generative pre-trained transformer, which is GPT. This part will explain what it made of and why it really matters. So here we go with the definition. The word generative in GPT means model can create a text from the input which we get. This helps it gives unique and suitable answer similar how we talk to the people, right? Importance of pre-trained. Training is an important step in building ChatGPT in this stage. The model learns the large amount of text to understand language, grammar, and context. This helps it give better and more accurate answer. The transformer is the core design behind the GPT model. It helps the model quickly understand information and context using the method called self-attention. This makes it very good at working with a language. Capabilities and applications. In a ChatGPT can do many different things, making it useful in many areas. This part will show its main features and what it can do more best.
Content creation, for ChatGPT, content creation, text, stories, poem, code. One great thing ChatGPT can do is content creation. It can be writing a story, poems, articles, and even small pieces of code. This makes it helpful for both writers and developers. ChatGPT is a helpful writing tool. It can help users to come up with ideas, write essays, and explain hard topics in an easy way. ChatGPT can help solve real-time business problems by giving the useful information and answering the questions because it can find answers quickly. It's a good tool for a research and learning. To understand how well ChatGPT works, where it might have limits, it's important to know how it's trained and what data it learns from. This part will explain the training process. So, training process with the ChatGPT. ChatGPT is trained in two main steps. First, it learns from large mix of internet text, which is called pre-training. Then it is improved using a spatial data and human feedback. Fine tuning it. This helps it understand language better and respond the way users prefer. ChatGPT learns from different types of data, including licensed content, text written by human trainers, and public information in different language. This mixed combination helps to understand many different topics. Good and varied data is a very important for training ChatGPT. OpenAI carefully chooses data that covers many topics, views, and writing style. This helps reduce bias and makes the model work better. Impact and future potential. ChatGPT is already making a big impact in near future, which we can see it in real time, right? And even we are seeing the many differences in the industries. We are also hearing out from the newses, right? Multiple industries are laying off for the people, right? So it's time to upgrade your skills, folks. In this part, we will look at how it's being used in today and what it might do in the future and some important ethical questions we need to think about. Current impact on various industries. GPT is changing the game in areas like customer service, content creation, education, and more. It offers smart AI solutions that help people work faster and stay more engaged. ChatGPT has a bright future as the AI keeps getting better. New updates could make it even smarter, helping it understand the little details in how people talk. As AI grows more powerful, it's important to think about ethics. We need to handle things like a data privacy, fairness, and using AI responsibly to make sure it helps everyone in a good way. To sum it up, ChatGPT is a big step forward in AI. It has some amazing features and is already being used in a many different industries and areas. As we move forward, it's important to understand both benefits and challenges that comes with this powerful tool. In our next session, let's talk about brief history about AI and its evaluation. We will explore how AI started and how it's grown into what we see today. So stay tuned for a session 2.